Before we get started, if you'd like to know how I lost 23 pounds in just 4 weeks, click the link below in my description. What is the keto diet? Essentially, the keto diet works by tricking the body into acting as if it's fasting, while reaping intermittent fasting benefits, through a strict elimination of glucose that is found in carbohydrate foods. Keto diets, like most low-carb diets, work through the elimination of glucose. Because most folks live on a high-carb diet, our bodies normally run on glucose, or sugar, for energy. We cannot make glucose and only have about 24 hours worth stored in our muscle tissue and liver. Once glucose is no longer available from food sources, we begin to burn stored fat instead, or fat from our food. Therefore, when you're following a ketogenic diet plan, your body is burning fat for energy rather than carbohydrates, so in the process most people lose weight and excess body fat rapidly, even when consuming lots of fat and adequate calories through their daily food intake. Another major benefit of the keto diet is that there's no need to count calories, feel hungry, or attempt to burn loads of calories through hours of intense exercise. 6 main benefits of the keto diet. 1. Weight loss. 2. Reduce risk for type 2 diabetes. 3. Reduce risk of heart disease. 4. Help protect against cancer. 5. Fight brain disease and neurological disorders. 6. Live longer. How to start the keto diet plan. Click the link below in description, and if you liked this video, click like, share and subscribe to my channel.